ClearWeld is a completely clear, quick-setting two-part epoxy adhesive that dries clear and is formulated for strong, permanent repairs. And it's incredibly easy to use. Clean the area to be repaired. Remove the resealable cap from between the plungers and set to the side. Snap off and discard the clear plastic tip. Before applying the mixer, push down on the plunger until both sides are flowing freely to ensure proper mixing. Discard this material. Now, slide the mixer onto the syringe and twist to lock it in place. Press down on the plunger to dispense a mixed bead of epoxy and apply generously. Unlike superglues, ClearWeld works best with a heavy application, allowing it to fill imperfections and create a strong and lasting bond. ClearWeld sets in 5 minutes and cures in about an hour. If there is leftover epoxy in the syringe, remove and dispose of the mixer. Wipe the tip clean and apply the resealable cap. For use without a mixer, dispense both parts on a disposable surface and stir for 60 seconds before applying. For long-lasting clear repairs, choose ClearWeld.
J.B. Weld, world's strongest bond.